Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to change the default download location in Google Chrome. So whenever you download any file in Google Chrome, it goes into a specified download folder. So now let's see how we can change that folder. So you just have to open your Google Chrome and then click on this three dot menu icon. Then you have to click on this settings. Alright, then after that on this left panel you have to look for downloads. Just click on it, and then after that you can see we have this option location. So just click here on this change button. Now you have the option to change the default location for downloads. So I will just change the folder according to my need, and that's it. This is how it is done. You can choose a different folder according to your need and then just click on OK and it will be done. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.